Happy weekend, members. After a long week of hard work, you deserve a rest. Here at Insurance World, we recognize that, and that is why we take a break from the hard lessons and give you biblical applications of various scenarios that would pass as insurance practices. Today, we look at Noah's story and how it can inspire the insurance industry. Noah's story, as told in the biblical book of Genesis, is a tale of perseverance, faith, and preparation in the face of disaster. While the story of Noah and the ark may seem like an unlikely source of inspiration for the insurance industry, there are several lessons that can be drawn from it that are applicable to the world of insurance. There are several insurance lessons that we can draw from the story of Noah in the Bible. Here are a few examples. 1. Prepare for the worst. Noah's story teaches us the importance of being prepared for unexpected events. Just as Noah built the ark in anticipation of the flood, insurance companies must prepare for a variety of risks and disasters that could impact their customers. This means conducting thorough risk assessments, developing appropriate insurance products, and maintaining adequate reserves to cover potential losses. Noah was warned of the impending flood and took steps to prepare for it. Similarly, in the insurance world, it's important to be prepared for the worst-case scenario by having appropriate insurance coverage. This includes having insurance for your home, car, health, and other valuable assets. 2. Don't ignore risks. Noah didn't ignore the warning of the flood and took action to protect himself and his family. Similarly, it's important to identify and assess risks in your life and take necessary measures to minimize them. The story of Noah emphasizes the importance of taking action to mitigate risks. Noah didn't simply build an ark and hope for the best, he took steps to gather and protect the animals, secure the ark, and ensure the survival of himself and his family. In the same way, insurance companies must take proactive measures to prevent and mitigate losses for their customers, such as offering risk management advice and incentivizing policyholders to take steps to reduce their risks. 3. Act quickly. Noah didn't wait until the last minute to build the ark. He acted quickly to ensure his safety and that of his family and animals. In the insurance world, it's important to act quickly after an incident, such as a car accident or damage to your home, to ensure that you receive the necessary coverage and support. 4. Have appropriate coverage. Noah built the ark to accommodate all the animals and his family, ensuring that they had adequate space and protection. In the insurance world, it's important to have appropriate coverage for your needs, including liability coverage, property damage coverage, and other types of coverage that are specific to your situation. It is important to ensure that you have adequate insurance coverage to protect yourself and your assets in case of a disaster or unexpected event. 5. Be patient. Noah had to wait for the flood to subside before he could leave the ark. In the insurance world, it's important to be patient and work with your insurance company to ensure that your claims are processed in a timely and fair manner. 6. Expect the unexpected. Noah did not know when the flood would come, but he prepared for it nonetheless. Likewise, it is important to be prepared for unexpected events such as accidents, natural disasters, and health issues by having insurance coverage. Noah's story highlights the importance of faith and trust in times of crisis. Despite the overwhelming challenges he faced, Noah remained steadfast in his faith and trusted that God would guide him through the flood. Similarly, insurance companies must build trust with their customers by providing reliable coverage and responsive support in times of crisis. 7. Early preparation. Noah began building the ark long before the flood arrived. Similarly, it is important to purchase insurance early on to ensure that you have coverage when you need it. 8. Careful selection. Noah selected only the animals that were necessary for survival. Similarly, it is important to carefully select insurance coverage that is tailored to your specific needs and situation. 9. Planning for the long term. Noah had to plan for life after the flood, including food and shelter for himself and the animals. Similarly, It is important to plan for the long term by having insurance coverage that will provide for you and your family in case of unforeseen circumstances. Overall, the story of Noah and the Ark provides several valuable lessons for the insurance industry, emphasizing the importance of preparation, risk mitigation, and trust in the face of unexpected events. What do you think about this article? Let us know by commenting, give us a like while at it.